Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to do bulk payments to different supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different supplier on 1688. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products from different supplier. One of the first ways is to scroll down right here from the home page right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products from different supplier. However, you can come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for into the search right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload product picture sample with this camera icon, and you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to source for product, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart, and go ahead and click on your cart right here to fill all the products you have in your cart is going to display right here. So as far as bulk payment is concerned, I'm going to use this particular products right here as an example of how to do a bulk payment to different supplier on 1688. So I'm going to select from this first supplier right here. Then I will scroll down. I will select the second supplier, third one, fourth one. Then I will scroll down and select the fifth one, and sixth one, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, just like so. So having select all the products, as you can see, different supplier, I'm going to click on here to proceed to checkout. Right, so from the checkout right here, you can scroll down right here and check everything about the product right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the products you want to make payment for, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 797.81 to purchase all these products right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. I'm going to click on here now to proceed to checkout. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successfully, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this proof of payment right here. I'm going to click on here now. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this bump up. I have to make sure I click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for, everything is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. And see them all right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here, proceed to my WhatsApp right here. So this contact right here reached out to me from my YouTube channel, asking me to pay their supplier from 1688. So I'm going to go ahead now and send proof of payment to them. So click on here again, then proof of payment, and set payments done. Just like so. So you can see my previous chart with this particular persons right here. This is their link, and this is when we are trying to collate all the wins based on the quantity and requirement by this particular person's right here. You can see everything right here. It's that simple. So these are the links. There are a lot of links we are working with right here. So if this is exactly what you need, you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.